This case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 stands out by including a dedicated stylus pen and secure holder, so note-taking and sketching feel natural without juggling extra accessories. The integrated kickstand folds flat into the back and props the phone horizontally, making long video sessions or desk work more comfortable without adding noticeable bulk. A built-in privacy front protector helps block prying side glances while still keeping touch response smooth enough for everyday use in gaming. Strong magnetic alignment works reliably with MagSafe-style chargers and mounts, so snapping the phone onto a stand, car holder, or wallet feels quick and stable. Reinforced hinge coverage, a rigid back, shock-absorbing frame, and cushioned corners combine to give the Fold 7 serious protection against drops and scuffs in daily carry. Despite the full-body coverage and added features, the case keeps a relatively slim silhouette that still slides into pockets and bags without feeling cumbersome.